Today, I'd like to talk to you about mommy makeovers, restoring post-pregnancy bodies. What is a mommy makeover? Well, it's a combination of three main procedures. The first one is a tummy tuck. There are all different variations of each of these three procedures, but the tummy tuck is the core, where we remove a large amount of skin and fat from the abdomen and typically tighten the muscles that have been stretched out for pregnancy as well. The second procedure that is part of a mommy makeover is breast surgery. Now, that can depend on the patient as well. Maybe breast augmentation, breast reduction, or breast lift. And in some cases, we'll actually combine a breast lift with breast augmentation. Lastly, the third component of a mommy makeover is liposuction. Liposuction is a fine-tuning or sculpting of the fatty layer between the skin and the muscles. It's highly complementary to these other two operations, and the vast majority of moms undergoing a mommy makeover would benefit from liposuction as well. Now, just because we call it a mommy makeover doesn't mean that it's appropriate for every mom to have these operations. It is, though, a common cluster of procedures that we perform all the time. If you'd like to see more beautiful before and after pictures like these, hit the like and subscribe buttons.